YouTube, back with another video from Kyiv, Ukraine, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm headed to the Founders Monument. See, actually the first time I've ever been there. It's windy today. I had a little problem with the wind in my last video, so I have turned on the wind noise reduction on my camera. Hopefully it helps. Founders Monument's a pretty cool thing. It's all the way down here on the Dnieper River, as you can see behind me. Easiest way to get to it is to take, taxi, but if you're not wanting to take a taxi all the way, take the red line on the metro to the Dnieper exit, walk underground across the street, and you can walk all the way down along the bank here of the river. However, I'm cheating a little bit. I'm going to get one of these little bolt scooter here things. So I think this cost me about the equivalent of about maybe 50 cents to get from the metro station down to the monument itself. So we hop on this, head down there, and then I'll see you once we get to the monument. Made it to the monument. You can see it behind me. So what you're looking at, it is the Founders Monument of Kyiv. The monument was erected on May 22nd, 1982. It was to commemorate, and wrap your head around this, the 1,500th anniversary of the city of Kyiv. So today, 2021, that makes the city of Kyiv almost 1,540 years old. The city of Kyiv is older than the country itself of Ukraine. The country of Ukraine is approximately 834 years old. The monument is made of copper, and it depicts the three founders of four siblings, the three brothers and the sister. I am not going to go over all the names again. I was going to try, but I know I'll butcher them, so I'm not even going to try. But I will tell you that the eldest son's name is, I've seen it spelled K-Y-Y or K-Y-I, and the legend has it that the four siblings founded a city on the hills of the 7 hills of the Dnieper River, and they named it after the eldest son, which was either KYY or KYI, so they named the city Kyiv. Looks like the fountains are starting to, the lights are turning on the fountains, so I'm hoping it's not too far before sunset, too long before sunset, so I'm hoping maybe I'll stay here for a little bit so I can see what this looks like at night, all lit up, and hopefully I'm going to try to get my my drone up around it as well. So, pretty cool monument. I completely forgot it was here. It's the first time I've been to it. It's a little bit out of the way, but if you do make it all the way down here, there is a restaurant over here. I see it's got a floating dining room on the back side of it as well. There's something over here. I may walk over here and look at this. There's some lights over in the woods, so I may walk over and see what's there. But also, if you walk back across the hill here, there's a set of stairs, and if you walk all the way up to the top of the stairs, it takes you up, I'm pretty sure, over by the Motherland Monument over here. Yep. So, stairs are over here. I don't know how far up the hill that is. Probably a pretty good walk. I actually was going to go up there today and try to film from the inside because last time I was up on the Motherland statue, I didn't get a chance to. But the inside museum, from what I'm reading online, is still closed because of coronavirus. So I walked over here to this restaurant, and it is the Havana Cuban restaurant. Floating restaurant. Got over to Havana. I see there's 1 or 2 more restaurants right here next to it, so I'm walking over here to see what these are as well. I don't get down to this area too much. It's kind of a little out of the way. Looks like there's 2 more down here. Ooh, how do I get around these? I'm not sure this one here is actually a restaurant. Or if it is, I'm not sure if it's open. And there's one more down here we'll check out real quick. And there's one more down here. Ah, hell. So this is written in Cyrillic cursive, and I think it says Trichal, which I'm not sure what that is. Trichal. Not sure what that is. But, or obviously the name of the restaurant, but I'm not sure what kind of restaurant this is. So, okay, there's the last there's the last of the restaurants in a row here. Thought I'd walk down. So if you do make it out this area, there are places for you to eat here as well.
Сурмани вішали на гак, глянувши востаннє на цей світ біленький, у смертну годину козак мовив так: хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть, живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки. Як вороги кляті нас на кіл саджали, як живцем палили, у смолі пекли, козаки у ката життя не благали, про долю країни думи їх були. Хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть, живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки. Щоб буяла воля, щоб раділи люди, дай Бог їм останнє ці слова сказать. Хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть, живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки.
Wrap this up. That's pretty much going to do it. Kind of a short video today. I think I flew my drone today more than I actually filmed video. But you know, you can only do so many angles of a monument. So, like I said, just a quick video to show you something else Kyiv has to offer. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.